Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make eye-catching gradient posters? I'll walk you through every simple step! Click Create, then choose a stock site. For this tutorial, set the dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to Elements and select Shape. From the Shape options, choose and add a circle to your design. This will help you build the basic layout required for the next steps in your project. Next, click the background area. Select Color Settings, then choose Gradient. Adjust the colors and angle to create your desired gradient background. Select any gradient you prefer, then click Linear. We will now proceed to edit and customize the gradient to fit your design needs. Select this region and apply any color you like. Click the color swatch to open the palette, then choose your desired shade. This will update the area instantly, allowing you to customize the design easily. Experiment with different colors to find the perfect look for your project. Apply the transformation to the circle. Next, rotate the shape to the desired angle. Then, use the slice tool to cut through the shape cleanly. Make precise slices by positioning the tool correctly. Repeat the slicing process to achieve the required segments. Adjust the slices as needed to refine the design. Continue slicing carefully, following the intended pattern. This method ensures accurate division of the shape into parts. Finally, review the slices to confirm they align with your project goals. Duplicate the cursor and apply a rotation. Rotate it to the desired angle. Next, scale it down to make it smaller. Adjust the size carefully until it fits your design. Then, position the rotated cursor in the center of the workspace. Ensure it is perfectly aligned for a clean, balanced look. This creates a layered effect with the duplicated, rotated cursor centered precisely. Click the Rotate button again to rotate the object 90 degrees clockwise. Repeat as needed for desired orientation. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the image quality from the options provided. After selecting the preferred quality, click Download to save the image to your device. The process is quick and ensures you get the best resolution available. First, delete the existing item. Next, drag your redesign into the workspace. Then, navigate to the Elements tab. From there, select Place to insert your updated design. This process replaces the old content with your new version efficiently. Make sure the redesign is properly positioned before proceeding with further edits or adjustments. This ensures your project stays organized and up to date. Search for a famous place, like the Statue of Liberty. Click the search bar and type Statue of Liberty. Press Enter to see all related results. Review the options carefully to find a design that stands out. Look for clear, high-quality images or graphics that best represent the landmark. Select a design that suits your project needs and style preferences. This way, you ensure a visually appealing and accurate representation of the Statue of Liberty. Let's try this together. First, go to the Plan More section. Next, select the Ask option to get assistance. After that, look for the Plant Image feature. This allows you to explore various plant pictures and information. Use the search bar to find specific plants by name or type. Once you locate your desired plant image, click on it to view details such as care instructions, growth habits, and ideal environments. This feature helps you plan your garden effectively by providing visual references and helpful tips. Repeat these steps anytime you want to find more plant images or information. Select the image for the top layer. Next, place the background image at the bottom. Finally, apply the overlay to blend the images seamlessly. This creates a visually appealing composition by combining the foreground and background effectively. Use the overlay settings to adjust transparency as needed. This image must be downloaded before proceeding. First, locate the image and click the download button. Wait for the download to complete. Next, prepare the face image you want to use. Download this face image by selecting it and clicking the download option. Once both images are downloaded, you can begin the editing process. Having the file saved locally ensures smooth workflow and faster processing. Always verify that both images are fully downloaded before starting your project. This prevents errors and saves time during editing. Now, proceed with your image editing confidence. First, click the download button to save the file to your device. Ensure you select the appropriate location to easily find the file later. Once the download completes, open the file to begin installation or use. This step is crucial before moving on to the next part of the tutorial, so take a moment to confirm the download has finished successfully. Next, delete this image by selecting it and pressing delete. Then, click the Add Image button to insert the new image. Position it where the old image was located. Adjust the size and alignment as needed to fit the layout. This replaces the previous image with the updated one, ensuring your project reflects the latest content accurately. Proceed to the next step. First, clear the selection. Then select the image, followed by selecting the background and overlay elements. Here is our final design. First, delete this layer and the image. Once removed, you'll see the completed design clearly displayed, ready for use or export. This ensures a clean, polished final result without any unwanted elements remaining. To add text, click the text tool in the toolbar. Type your desired content in the text box that appears on the canvas. To change the font, highlight the text, then select a new font from the font drop-down menu in the top toolbar. You can also adjust the font size, style, and color using the options next to the font menu. To reposition your text, click and drag it to the desired spot on your design. This allows you to customize your project quickly and efficiently with the perfect font and placement. This is our final output. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose PNG as the file format. Before saving, increase the size to the maximum to ensure the best quality. Once set, click Download again to save your image. This process guarantees a high-resolution file ideal for any use. Remember, adjusting the size before downloading is essential for optimal results. Now you have a clear, high-quality PNG ready to use or share as needed. Now you know how to design a gradient poster in Canva-like. And subscribe for more creative tips.